Okay, that is everything that we're taking off this Tiburon right here. The next step is to reassemble. We're gonna go ahead and make sure that this is fully complete. I'm gonna detail it, make it look as nice as I can, and then it's going to be for sale on Facebook and Craigslist. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next build video.